Google just changed the AI game again, and here's everything you need to know from Google I/O 2024 in just a few minutes. Say hello to Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's most intelligent AI model ever. It now powers everything from coding to learning to reasoning, and yes, it's dominating all benchmarks. Introducing Deep Think Mode, this beast dives deep into your complex problems using parallel thinking, solving like a pro. Video calls just went 3D with Google Beam, and their new AI agent, Project Mariner, can now surf the web for you. Need an apartment? Gemini in agent mode can handle your budget, preferences, and even nearby laundromats all by itself. Emails? Gemini learns your style and replies like you. And there's Gemini Flash, an ultra-efficient AI model for speed lovers. Want better visuals? Imagen 4 delivers hyper-realistic images. Need videos with sound? Veo 3 now creates dialogue and sound effects automatically. Search is no longer just a box. With AI mode, ask complex questions, get charts, instant shopping tools, and even personalized visuals. AR is here. Android XR turns your glasses into smart AI assistants. Check texts, maps, and even ask Gemini questions, all hands-free. From AI learning to 3D glasses, Google is going all in. Follow JDR Tech Guru for more game-changing tech updates. The future is here, and it's built with Gemini.